In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an HTML tag, image tag like this one. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Here you can find our HTML code. Under this, all I have to do to create an image tag, first of all, let me run this to show you that there's no image right here. I'm going to pop in an image. Here, it's just a simple code. As you can see, I first of all open an image tag, which is just the open, image, and close. Inside of this, I'm going to choose a source, which stands for source. CRC works fine. Equal, and then I'm going to choose a source of an image that I have inside of my server. If I want to grab an image from the internet, say, I don't know, house, for example, I'm going to find, correct this, house, for example, I'm going to find an image and then copy the image link. Go back, put that source right here. And then, sorry for that, but I actually have to click copy link right here. That was a mess. Let's copy the link. As you can see, it's good to go. Now I can put an alt, which is kind of like basically what will I say if the image fails to load. This is a house, for example. Then I have to decide the width, 500 for example, and the height. Keep in mind that the height and the width are actually in pixels. Now if I run my code right here, you can see that this second image actually failed to load in purpose because there is no image and the link doesn't lead to anything. But the first image loaded successfully. And as I said, the auto attribute stands for what the image is going to display if there is no image. That's it, and goodbye.